Your next car could be the 2021 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, adjustable steering wheel, rear reading lamps. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.